all sleep, India will awake to life and freedom.
Behind the glory and pride we feel today as Indians, there is a heroic history of furious rebellions, fights and fearless revolutions carried out by thousands of selfless patriotic Indian freedom fighters to free India from the British rule. These iconic heroes were not only pivotal in the country's independence, but they also left a legacy of daring, unwavering resolve and steadfast devotion to the motherland. Till today, they inspire millions to fight and preserve our precious freedom and uphold our dignity as proud Indians. In 1827, Mangal Pandey was a pioneer in the movement for freedom. He was one of the rebels who exhorted youthful Indian troops to join the insurrection in 1857's Sepoy Mutiny. They launched the Indian uprising by carrying out the first attack upon English authority while serving as soldiers for the Britishers. The alien point in Indian history by Mangal Pandey continues to echo resoundingly in our history.
जागी जागी है धरती सारी और जागा जागा है अंबर, जागी जागी है नदियां सारी और जागा जागा है सागर। मंगल 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 हो, मंगल 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 हो। जागे नगर सारे जागे घर सारे जागा है अब हर गाँव, जागी है बगिया तो जागे पेड़ों जागी है पेड़ों की छाँव। मंगल 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 हो, मंगल 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 हो। आग ऐसी लगी है दिलों में ना बुझेगी किसी के बुझाए, मन की अग्नि है आंखों से झलकी सर नहीं झुकते हैं अब झुकाए। अब तो बिगड़े हैं तेवर सभी के निकले सब अपने घर को जलाए।
Jhansi Ki Rani or Rani Lakshmibai, one of the top women liberation warriors whose contributions will always remain as one of the most noteworthy in Indian independence history. The brave Indian queen fought the battle against the Britishers like a lioness to save her country. She was a key leader in 1857's Sepoy Mutiny and was martyred in the battlefield in 1858. Till today, she is revered as a great symbol of strength and fearlessness.
भाग भाग रे भाग फिरंगी झांसी की रानी आई है भाल तिलक और हाथ शामत आई है
Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose defiance of the British authority in India made him a hero among many. Bose joined the national movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian National Congress. He became the first Congress president in 1938. He was a seasoned politician and a courageous leader who amassed and led the Azad Hind Fauj into battle against the British. The sacrifice and the multitude of strategic tactics he implemented were indeed remarkable. For him, the nation was of paramount importance.
सरहद पे चले सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है सरहद पे चले सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगाओ मेरी निशानी है सूरज की तरह सर चढ़ते हैं हम पर्वत को गिराते बढ़ते हैं हम चट्टान से दौड़े सीनों में तूफान उठाना है जोश में सरफरोश में जाना है बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो रुकना नहीं झुकना नहीं बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो हम एक साथ हैं एक दिशा बढ़ते चलो
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also unwittingly referred to as Bapu, was an Indian lawyer and a colonial nationalist and a political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful revolution for India's independence from the British rule. Not only was he an ardent patriot, but also a global social reformist. Among many movements led by him, along with his contemporary leaders and his predecessors, civil disobedience and satyagraha are some of the critical milestones that led India to its independence in 1947.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो कल था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे
The Indian national movement witnessed the emergence of flags of freedom fighters who challenged the British colonial rule, among whom you paid our tribute to a few today. It occurred over 200 years and our leaders taught us determination, perseverance, courage, patriotism and much more. But most importantly, they taught us to have an undying love and pride in our motherland, India.